Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another life skills video. Now the way in which these videos work is this. There are three sections. This first section gives you a broad outline of the subject and the topics that you'll be covering as part of that subject. The middle section then deals with the meat of the subject, the detail, and I found it best to do that through a series of slides. And then the final section is just a quick summary of what we have covered. Now, in case you miss anything, all the detail that you hear and that you see in this video is also set out in the description box below, and in addition there are some links to other relevant videos. So, having done the quick introduction, let's just get into it. Okay, so let's get into it. We're looking at Psychology 101, in other words, the fundamentals of psychology. If you're thinking of undertaking a study in psychology, well, these are some of the key topics that you would cover. And today we're looking at the key elements and key theories. So, key elements, first of all, I would identify three: the mind, behaviour and motivation. These are key elements that are studied in psychology. Next, I would identify another key three elements in the study of psychology: human relations, the conscious and the unconscious mind, and personality. Again, these are another three key elements that you find if you study psychology. Next, we look at key theories. Now, the first four I would identify would be humanistic, biological, social, and the cognitive sciences. So there are three types of psychology: humanistic psychology, biological psychology, and social psychology. And then there are the cognitive sciences. Then, next on the key theories, I would identify another key three, and they are existential psychology, developmental psychology, and finally social psychology. So, a quick summary then. I would say that if you're going to undertake psychology, you will find there are two parts to it. First are the key elements and the key theories. The key elements cover topics like mind, behaviour, motivation, and personality, whereas key theories are around different theories of psychology around developmental, social, humanistic, biological, existential, and social psychologies, and the cognitive sciences. Now, if you are able to cover all of those in your course, and you've got to grips with them, well, then you have truly got to grips with the topic of psychology. Okay, so I hope you found that life skills video useful and interesting. And as I've said before, all the detail which I've covered in this video is also set out to assist you in the description box below, and you will also see a number of links to other relevant life skills videos. Now, all that's really left for me to say after that is that if you like this video, please mark it as a like, and if you wish to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. Finally then, let me just say thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.